Hello there, welcome once again to A Fierce Twist. Today in our kitchen we're making the classic red recipe, Gari, a popular Ghanaian street food. This was tasty, quick and easy. Let's wash our hands and get right into this one. We'll be using 2 cups of black-eyed peas, which I soaked overnight to help reduce the cooking time. Soaking overnight allows our beans to double in size. We'll be cleaning this and changing the water. I'll then transfer my beans into a cooking pot and get ready to boil. I'll be adding some water and boil this for 25 to 30 minutes. We want our beans to be soft, so we have to cook this until it's all dry. I'll be checking my beans to know if it's cooked or not, and yes, this is cooked. After our beans is cooked, it's now time to add our salt, and we did not begin with our salt because salt slows down the cooking process and it will take longer for our beans to cook. We'll be adding some sugar, which is totally optional. And we'll be cooking our beans until it's soft, nice and creamy. I'll be mashing my beans slightly so that it becomes creamier, and that's the consistency that we're going for. And then put this to a gentle simmer so that the liquid further thickens up. Now let's move over to frying our plantains. So I'll be peeling my ripened plantains, and this is how I like to slice them into a bowl. And friends, if it's your first time here, remember to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified anytime we drop a new video. I'll be adding some salt to taste and a tablespoonful of water to allow our salt evenly distribute. I'll add some vegetable oil to my pan and allow this to heat up. And I'll drop in some onions for extra flavor. I'll add my plantain into the oil and fry on each side for about 2 minutes. And this will continue to fry until it's nice and golden brown on both sides. With red, it's always better to have your plantains ripen because you need it to be extra sweet and soft in texture. Continuously turn this until it's cooked and you have your desired color. And this is the exact color we're going for. I'll take these out and place them on a paper towel lined plate. And these already look so appetizing. I'll repeat this process until I'm done frying all of my plantains, and then it's time to enjoy. And friends, this Gari is just to die for. I hope you are able to give this one a try. Our plantain is ready and it's already time to enjoy. We're serving this just the way you will buy it at the roadside in Ghana. Red is eaten with Gari, a popular staple food from West Africa, which is made from cassava, and palm oil with Zomi. And guess what? I'm adding some green pepper sauce for some heat, and which is totally optional. These plantains really fried so well and have the right texture for this dish. I'll dish some beans, add some Gari, and depending on how thick you want your beans mixture to be, you can add more or less Gari. And then I'll add my Zomi. And this Zomi was homemade. Let me know if you want me to tell you how I made this, and it tasted so amazing. I'll drizzle a little more of our tasty palm oil onto this and mix it together. And it's time to add our spicy green pepper sauce, which is totally optional. I'll wrap this together and add my plantains, and friends, you are all invited to this meal. And if it's your first time here, you're most welcome to A Fierce Twist. We make cooking an enjoyable experience wherever you may find yourself. And if you enjoyed this episode, you know exactly what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This meal was so quick and easy and tasted so delicious. I hope you're able to give this one a try. And until I see you guys in the next one, bye from a fierce twist.